Over $135,000 worth of Onyxcoin short position is going to get liquidated by the time Onyxcoin rallied to around 0.00578 zone. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about the Onyxcoin price real quick. As you can see, we are still currently consolidating after properly tapping into this our buy position for Onyxcoin. So congratulations if you are currently in the position with us. Onyxcoin is currently trading around 0.0051, and yeah, so fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. I think we still have a lot of liquidity to the upside for Onyxcoin to take out. So in my own opinion, I think the rally is not over yet, and the number of stake XCN coin continues to rise, and there is now over $5.5 billion XCN token staked so far on the official website. So you can click on the link to stake your XCN as well, and the current staking APY for staking your Onyxcoin XCN coin is 29.77%. Onyxcoin trading volume is down minus 17% in the last 24 hours as well. The US Treasury just bought back $12.5 billion of their own debt. This is the largest treasury buyback in history so far, if you ask me. I think this is bullish for the US economy and also bullish for the entire cryptocurrency market. Alice Leo, the head of research at CoinMarketCap, just said we are going to see another massive market comeback in Q1 2026. February and March, to be precise, will be a bull market again based on combined macro indicators. Now, I think she's correct, because if you ask me, a lot of institutional signs are already flashing. The UK government now officially recognized crypto as a property. You understand? A new UK law has reclassified cryptocurrency as a legal property, putting them in the same legal categories as stocks, real estate, and other tangible assets. This gives holders a clear ownership right, the ability to own. So I think this is all bullish news. And if you're considering the Fed balance sheet, which is this blue line you're seeing right here, the Fed balance sheet very soon is going to begin to rise to the upside, because quantitative tightening has already ended. It ended in December 1st, 2025. And the last time quantitative tightening ended in August 1st, 2019. What happened? If you're paying attention, by the way, this is the orders against the BTC chart on the monthly time frame. By the time you see this chart rallying to the upside, it means altcoins are rallying, altcoins are outperforming BTC. Now, this orders chart is the total ratio crypto market cap, excluding the top 10 cryptos and also BTC included. Now, the last time the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019, the altcoin market rallied aggressively to the upside, came back, retested this significant trend line as support, and then exploded into 2021 bull market. Now, I think the current phase we are in is very similar to what we had in 2019. And as you can see, we are currently retesting this trend line as support, which happened in 2019, and also quantitative tightening just came to an end, which also happened in August 1st, 2019. So I think the stars are aligning for our altcoin bag to begin to explode aggressively. And if you ask me, considering the $12 trillion BlackRock CEO Larry Fink publicly confessing that he was wrong about Bitcoin and crypto.
Called crypto an index for money laundering. BlackRock
and thieves.
And thieves.
Yes.
Money laundering and thieves.
Right.
You now have the biggest Bitcoin ETF. So what happened here?
I have very strong views, but that doesn't mean I'm not wrong. By having strong views, you have to test yourself and ask yourself. And, in my role, I see, thousands of clients a year. I have, governmental leaders, and we have these conversations, and my thought process always evolves. And this is a very glaring public example of a big shift, in my opinion.
If you ask me, for someone who publicly called cryptocurrency a scam, now saying crypto is the future is one of the strongest adoption signal you will ever get. Very, very soon, we should expect the market to bottom this Q4 2025. And the moment we enter into the Q1 2026, we should begin to expect aggressive rally to the upside. The red zone you're saying is the period of quantitative tightening. The blue zone is the period of quantitative easing. So the moment the quantitative easing announcement comes into play, which we are expecting in Q1 2026, I think the market is going to explode. The altcoin market is going to rally hard, and the first resistance should be around the 0.25 zone for the altcoin market. We are now seated at 94% probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut by December 10th, 2025 from the Fed. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Regardless, it's very, very bullish for the market. The stock market just left the extreme fear territory. Congratulations to stock investors, stock traders. Stock market is now currently seated at 26%, indicating fear. We just left the extreme fear territory. Dow Jones is up. It's 0.86% in the last 24 hours. S&P 500 is up 0.3% in the last 24 hours. Nasdaq is up 0.17% in the last 24 hours as well. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index just left the extreme fear territory as well. We are currently seated at 26%, indicating fear. I think yesterday was fear, last week was extreme fear, last month extreme fear 22%. So the market is gradually recovering to the upside, if you ask me. And if you're paying attention, over 99,000 traders were liquidated in the last 24 hours, with total liquidation amount amounting to $314 million. Short positions are getting massacred. On the 7-day time frame, by the time BTC drops to $83,000, more than $2 billion worth of long positions are going to get liquidated, like seriously. I think there is still room for Onyxcoin to rally to the upside, like I said in the last Onyxcoin video. I won't be surprised seeing something like this for Onyxcoin rally into this liquidity territory, tap into this zone. If we are not able to conquer that resistance level, then you all should, like, whoever wants to take profit at that level should take profit, because we are likely to get a rejection to the downside back into this territory. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so this is what I think could happen for Onyxcoin very, very soon. So you all should, like, get ready and pay attention. Even if you get a retracement back into this territory, it should be a buy opportunity for those who missed our previous buy position on Onyxcoin. And in the long run, Onyxcoin is still going to perform very, very well. The market cap is now extremely cheap for those that are yet to, like, position properly ahead of Q1 2026. Market cap is currently below $200 million. And in the long run, we could easily see a $2 billion market cap, which is a 10x plus from here already. You get a 2 billion, a 5 billion, even a $10 billion market cap is very, very doable. Now, this is BTC on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we are currently getting a rejection from this territory around the $94,000, which was an obvious resistance zone. I think the next obvious resistance zone is the $100,000 level, which is also a psychological price level for BTC. So in my own opinion, if this rally continues, if BTC is able to take out this $94,000 resistance, flip it into a support, then the next easy price magnet zone is going to be the 100k zone, which we are likely to get a rejection from there for BTC. So fingers crossed. But the moment you see BTC overcome the $100,000 level territory, flip it into a support with at least few daily bullish daily candle close above that level, then it is over for the bears. The bears will get giga wrecked, like seriously. So let's see how it goes, and if that is not happening, then we should expect to buy BTC or to long BTC back around this level. This level should be a good buy zone for BTC, considering this massive inefficiency left behind as a result of this aggressive pump to the upside. So I won't be surprised if BTC even outrightly start retracing into this territory over the weekend. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so that will be all for now for BTC and for the entire crypto update. As always, my name is Isaac. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Peace out.